In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 7.3, triangles. What about this question? Observe, AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. We are having one isosceles triangle ABC, and in which AD is what? Altitude. And in the isosceles triangle AB equal to AC. So first I am trying to draw this isosceles triangle, then we will solve. Observe carefully. What about its solution? One isosceles triangle we are having. What? One isosceles triangle we are having. This is the isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AC. This side is equal to this one. Clear? This is the isosceles triangle, and AD is an altitude. It means AD is height on BC. AD is perpendicular on BC. It is the altitude. It means this will be 90 degree. Clear? So observe again. Question saying AD is an altitude. AD is altitude on BC. Clear? Of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. This side equal to this one. We studied already in the isosceles triangle we are having two equal sides. Clear? So now I am taking this point as what? D. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD we have what we are having. So these are one ABC is isosceles triangle in which we are having, once we draw AD is altitude on BC, then we are getting ABD and ACD. ABD, ACD are what? Two right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles. Clear? And both triangles are what? Right angled at D. Clear? So a triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we are having what? We want to show AD bisect BC. AD bisect BC. We want to show AD is bisecting this BC. So we are taking this triangle and this triangle. So once these two triangles are congruent, then we can say this side will be equal to this one, and we proved this one. Clear? So we are taking this one and this one. Clear? So in these two triangles what we are having? AB equal to AC. It is given in the question. Both sides are equal. Why? Because this ABC triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. Now next one, angle ADB equal to angle ADC. This angle and this angle ADB for this triangle, ADC for this triangle, both will be equal and equal to what? 90 degree. Why? It is also given in the question how AD is altitude on BC. Given us AD is perpendicular on BC, then this angle and this angle will be what? 90 degree. Two things we obtain. These are right triangles, right angled triangles. So we are having one congruence rule. Once right triangles we are having, then we will use RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side congruence rule. So AB equal to AC given. This is the hypotenuse. AB and AC both are what? Hypotenuse of these two triangles. And this one is what? Right angle. Right angle. Clear? Now what about the side? In these two triangles, AD is what? Common. AD is what? Common. AD equal to AD. And this side is common in both triangles. So what we can say? Triangle ABD is ABD. This triangle is congruent to triangle ACD. This triangle. These two triangles are congruent. Why? By RHS. Congruence rule. By RHS congruence rule, we can say these two triangles ABD and ACD are congruent. Why? This hypotenuse, this one is what? H is what? Hypotenuse. RHS, H is what? Hypotenuse. This side equal to this one given in the question. This one and this angle and this angle is what? 90 degree. So right angle. And side AD is what? Side, and it is common in both. So we can say right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side congruence rule, RHS congruence rule. We can say these two triangles are congruent. Once we proved two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of these triangles will be what? Corresponding parts of triangles will be what? Equal. So what we can say? This equal to this one given, this is common. So this side will be equal to this one. So we can say BD equal to DC. Why? By CPCT. By CPCT we can say BD equal to DC. So we can say AD bisects BC. This we want to prove. AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. Why? Because BD equal to DC. How we proved? This triangle is congruent to this one. So we can say this side will be equal to this one. Question number first we proved. Now second one, AD bisects angle A. How? Once this triangle equal to this triangle is congruent to this triangle, not equal. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. This side equal to this side equal to this side is common. Clear? Then this angle equal to this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this one. Corresponding angles will be equal. So what we can say? Also angle BAD equal to angle CAD. BAD equal to CAD. How? By CP, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two triangles are congruent. So corresponding parts means sides will be equal. Its all sides will be equal to these its sides, corresponding side. This side will be equal to this one will be common, and this will be equal to this one. This angle equal to this one, this angle equal to this one, this angle equal to this one. These are what? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So this angle equal to this angle, it means what? This AD is bisecting angle, implies AD bisects angle A. Angle A is what? BAC is bisecting by AD. How? We proved this one, angle BAD, this one, this angle equal to this angle. Why? Because this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So AD bisects angle A, hence proved. We proved these things. Observe, simple question, not hard. Once we know the basic concept of the congruence rules, we studied 5 congruence rules in the introduction class. Out of these 5, we studied 3. Now new congruence rule we are studying. That one is what? RHS. This is used for the right triangles, right angled triangles. So RHS is what? Right angle, hypotenuse, side congruence rule. It means in which one is what? Right angle, one is hypotenuse, and one is what? Side. One is what? Right angle. One in these, in 2 triangles, one is what? Right angle in both. One is hypotenuse is common, and hypotenuse will be equal, and one is what? One side is common. Clear? Common, or we can say one side is equal. So that time we will use RHS. So for these 2 triangles, hypotenuse is what? Equal in both the triangles. One side is equal in both one, or in this diagram this side is common, so it is equal in both, and one angle is what? Right angle. So we can say RHS congruence rule, we proved what? This triangle is congruent to this one, so corresponding parts will be equal, so this side will be equal to this one, so we can say AD is bisecting BC, we proved. And another thing, this angle equal to this one. Why? Because this triangle is congruent to this one. So this angle equal to this one, we can say this AD is bisecting angle A. We proved this one. So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.